How to install the Messenger app from the App Store on your iPhone 8 Plus. Whether you're installing it for the first time or downloading it again, the process is quick and easy. First, open the App Store on your iPhone 8 Plus. Tap the Search tab in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, tap the search bar at the top and type Messenger. From the search results, look for Messenger by Meta Platforms. Next, tap the Get button. If you've downloaded Messenger before, you'll see the Download Cloud icon instead of Get. Tap it to download the app. If prompted, verify the download using Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. Wait a few moments while the app downloads and installs on your iPhone. Once the installation is complete, tap Open or return to your home screen and tap the Messenger app icon. Now, sign in with your Facebook account or follow the on-screen instructions to log in and start chatting with your friends and family. That's it. You've successfully installed Messenger from the App Store on your iPhone 8 Plus. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and follow for more iPhone tips, tutorials, and the latest tech updates and technology. Thanks for watching.